Welcome to Transforming Encounters, Episode 6. My name is John Mark Hicks. In our last episode, we just talked about the baptism of Jesus as we transitioned from thinking about the story of Israel to thinking about the story of Jesus. And when we immerse ourselves in the story of Jesus, perhaps one of the things that's not on the top of our consciousness is the reality that Jesus assembled with Israel. Or we might say Jesus went to church. Jesus went to the assembly. That the story of Israel's assemblies continues in the life and ministry of Jesus. Jesus didn't reject the assemblies. Jesus didn't neglect the assemblies. Jesus participated in the assemblies. In fact, I think we can say he went to church every week. Now, sometimes people ask me, especially some of my students in the past, why are you so insistent? Or why do you practice so regularly going to church every Sunday? I mean, is that like a requirement? Well, I don't think we can get a requirement for that out of the Bible. Some have tried to do that. But whether we can or not, I'm more interested in being a disciple of Jesus. And as I think about what Jesus did and how Jesus participated in the assemblies of Israel, Jesus did that at least on a weekly basis. It says, for example, in Luke chapter 4, verse 16, that when Jesus came into Nazareth, he went to the synagogue on the Sabbath, as was his custom, or his habit, or his practice.
Great video, right? So you know the drill. Like, subscribe, and share. And if you want to see the rest of this video, head over to christian-studies.org, click on Video Courses, and then check out our entire video collection. And then subscribe for you or for your church to get access to all of our premium content.